Los pueblos indígenas de Saskatchewan han habitado esta zona durante 11.000 años, tiempo durante el cual establecieron sociedades autosuficientes. Según el censo del área metropolitana de 2016, 21.535 indígenas vivían en Saskatoon. Este número representa el 9% de la población total, quiere decir un aumento del 8.3% desde el 2011. Se espera que la población aborigen crezca en Saskatchewan a 1 por cada 5 habitantes para el 2036.
I've been mostly a cook most of my life, and if not that, a janitor or landscaping. But
Okay.
travelers, but we have a lot of great restaurants if you're a foodie. It's really nice to go down by the river or just slightly out of town to the sand dune beaches, but that's about it, I think. Really nice lakes. There's a lot of music that comes through. We have the Saskatchewan Jazz Festival, which is a big one. It's always fun, and a lot of local artists get to go outside the Besborough and play on the free grounds, so that's nice.
Las escuelas residenciales se convirtieron en metodologías temerarias para la asimilación de los pueblos indígenas, o digámoslo de otra manera, cooptación y dominación. En ese momento los canadienses creían que las culturas indígenas eran inferiores y por lo tanto debían ser reemplazadas por la cultura británica. Los niños de las primeras naciones, que eran los más vulnerables a la influencia, fueron separados del contacto con sus padres y con sus comunidades, tanto como fue posible, trayendo terribles consecuencias hasta el día de hoy.
I'm Métis myself.
Métis.
Good. So, and my mom is treaties too, so aware of quite a bit of what's going on. Not quite as in touch as I used to be, but I know of a lot of strong Aboriginal people who are very into the arts and is a professor, and another more Aboriginal people who are very artistic and musical, and there's a lot of really great youth programs for Aboriginal youth around Saskatoon, so I think there's a really good connect and rebuilding the community. Yeah, I believe so. And there's a lot of murals downtown. There's one another block over, and it's a really big one. It's Aboriginal and holding a baby. And I think that's what we're talking about.
Really nice,
There's a lot of murals downtown. It's really nice.
Yeah.
I think I say nice too much.
Yes.
I think it's tragic, and I think it's really good that more attention is being brought to it, and hopefully something can be further done and dealing with this, and I think with the influence of social media being as strong as it is, with people such as yourself, that these issues are being more brought ahead, and I hope that really has a strong influence, and especially with the younger generation, because they're our future. And so if they're the kids that are on media, and if this brings to their attention, that hopefully then they can continue on that legacy of growing with influencers and making the right choices of what's right for individual people and people as a whole. I think same thing is there is a lot of traditions that are coming out. I see more powwow flyers around and more stuff for engaging than there used to be. But again, that could be because of social media.